Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of immersive home audio with the JBL BAR-1000 7.1.4ch Soundbar and Subwoofer, bundled with the austere 7S8 KHD 2 to 1.5 M7 Series 1.5 meters premium braided 8K HDMI cable. Let's get started.
The JBL BAR-1000 is not your average soundbar. It's a powerhouse of audio engineering, boasting true Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and multi-beam surround sound technologies. With a whopping 880 W total power output, this system delivers an unparalleled listening experience. But what sets this system apart is its detachable surround speakers, offering true surround sound immersion. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action.
Now, let's talk about connectivity.
The bundle includes the austere 7 Series HDMI cable, capable of transmitting stunning 8K resolution with its 48 gigabits per second bandwidth. This cable ensures that you get the most out of your high-definition content without any compromises. Taking a closer look at the JBL BAR-1000, you'll find a plethora of features to enhance your audio experience.
From built-in Wi-Fi with AirPlay and Chromecast to HDMI EARC technology, this soundbar is designed to seamlessly integrate into your smart home setup. But let's not forget about performance. With its 10-inch subwoofer and array of drivers, including racetrack drivers and up-firing full-range drivers, the BAR-1000 delivers deep, rich bass and crystal-clear highs across the entire frequency spectrum. And what's even better is the user experience. Setup is a breeze with the JBL One app, allowing you to control and customize your audio settings right from your smartphone. Plus, with compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa, you can control your soundbar with simple voice commands. In conclusion, the JBL BAR-1000 7.1.4ch Soundbar and Subwoofer, bundled with the austere 7 Series HDMI cable, offers a complete home audio solution for the discerning audiophile. With its immersive surround sound, advanced connectivity, and user-friendly features, it's a must-have for any home entertainment setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy listening.